Hey there, truckers. This is Santana coming back at you. I couldn't find a video of anybody filling any of these leaking hubs on these 18-wheeler trailers, so I figured I'd go ahead and post something here. Each of these bolts are 13 millimeter or half if we're using SAE. The fill plug is 5/16, whatever the metric inches on that, I don't know. Fill plug, you can pull this out to check it if it's too dirty here to see what the level is. You can also top it off, but it takes a lot longer. I prefer to use the top right there. Each one of these bolts, you want to hand tighten. You can use one of these electric drivers like I got, but you can snap a bolt off. Trust me, I've done it. Using just an extension on this thing here. You've got basic tools to use, wire brush to clean the grease and oil off of here, brake cleaner, your penetrating oil there to help break that thing loose. Each one of these hubs usually takes about a quart. If it's completely empty, maybe a little less. If it's just on the low side, just fill to this line right here where it says full, and it'll say add right here. If it's completely empty, it's going to take a quart. Usually if it's low, probably about say a quarter of a quart, maybe a complete half of a quart if you don't have if you can't see anything in here when you pop this plug out. Let's see if there's anything else. You want to go ahead and use some RTV on these gaskets here, like a rubber infused paper, but the gaskets here, you can loosen these bolts here and shove a little bit on your finger and put some in between there to help seal any gaps. But I usually use this hub oil here that it stops leaks, and it will at least slow it down if it's a bad leak and get you to a shop. If not, it'll seal it completely. And as always, don't be one of those drivers that just drops a trailer. Don't call it into your company, because that's what happened here. All four of these things, I spent $156 in tools and chemicals to be able to get this thing done, and luckily my company will pay me back for that. I just submit the paperwork. But anyway, hopefully this helps, and I'll be posting this thing on YouTube, so at least somebody besides me will have an idea if they're got the guts to try to do it themselves. Y'all have a good day.